Get a job abroad quickly. What are you doing these days? I'm looking for a job. Do you want to work here? No, I want to work abroad. Why do you want to work abroad? I want to earn more money. Do you have a passport? Yes, I have one. Which country do you want to go to? I want to go to Singapore. What kind of job do you want? Any job is okay. Do you have work experience? Yes, I worked in a restaurant. Do you speak English? A little. I'm learning more now. Did you go to an agency? Not yet. You should prepare your documents. Yes, I will. Do you have your CV? I will make one. Do you want me to help? Did you finish school? Yes, I finished high school. Do you know anyone abroad? Yes, my cousin is in Korea. I hope you get the job. Are you ready to apply for a job? Yes, I'm ready. Do you have passport photos? Not yet. I will take some. Do you know where the agency is? What time does the office open? I think 9 a.m. Will you go alone? No, I will go with my friend. Did you call the agency? Not yet. I will call today. Do you have to pay the agent? How much is the fee? Do you have the money? I will borrow from my uncle. Did you fill out the application form? Yes, I did. Was it difficult? No, it was easy. Did you submit it? Yes, I gave it to the agency. Did they accept it? Yes, they accepted it. What happens next? I have to wait for the interview. When is the interview? Next week. Are you nervous? A little, but I will try. Do you need help with English? Yes, please teach me. Practice simple questions. Okay, I will. You can do it. Today is your interview, right? Yes, I'm a bit nervous. Did you prepare well? Yes, I studied yesterday. What kind of questions will they ask? Maybe about work and my experience. Don't worry, just be confident. Okay, I will try. Good luck on your interview. How was your interview? It went well. Did they accept you? Congratulations. What is the next step? I need to apply for the visa. Do you have all your documents? Yes, I have everything ready. How long does visa processing take? Around 2 weeks. Will the agency help? When will you fly? After I get the visa. Is this your first time abroad? Yes, I have never been before. Are you scared? A little bit. What will you bring with you? Clothes, documents, and some food. Did you tell your family? Yes, they are happy for me. Are they going to the airport with you? Are you ready to go? Yes, I'm all packed. What time is your flight? 10 in the morning. Let's go to the airport early. Yes, good idea. Show me your ticket. Yes, I double-checked. How many bags do you have? Have a safe trip. Please subscribe to support my channel.